Useful words, phrases, and sentences. I'm going to bed. Matutulog na ako. I'm very tired. Pagod na pagod ako. Please don't disturb me. Pakiusap, huwag mo akong istorbohin. I'm proud of you. Ipinagmamalaki kita. It needs washing. Kailangang labhan. It's very dirty. Ito ay napakadumi. Leave this to me. Iwanan mo na ito sa akin. Let's fly a kite. Magpalipad tayo ng saranggola. Let's have a try. Subukan natin. Let's drink water. Uminom tayo ng tubig. Make way, please. Makikiraan po. My stomach hurts. Masakit ang aking tiyan. I feel dizzy. Nahihilo ako. No need to worry. Hindi kailangang mag-alala. Nobody will know. Walang makakaalam. Nobody remembers. Walang nakakaalala. Oh no, not again. Ayan na naman. Please, don't cry. Tahan na. He has gone out. Lumabas na siya. He is an expert cook. Dalubhasa siya sa pagluluto. He may not come. Maaaring hindi siya dumating. He smokes a lot. Malimit siyang manigarilyo. She startled him. Siya ay ginitla niya. Someone screamed. May sumigaw. Is he dead? Patay na ba siya? That I do not know. Iyon ang hindi ko alam. Please update me. Pakiusap, balitaan mo ako. I am full. Busog na ako. The can is empty. Walang laman ang lata. Salty food. Maalat na pagkain. There's no doubt. Walang duda. They are disappointed. Sila ay nabigo. Things got worse. Lumala ang mga bagay-bagay. Jane got married. Ikinasal na si Jane. Jane arrived last. Huling dumating si Jane. Jane is resilient. Hindi madaling mabigo si Jane. Jane will like me. Magugustuhan ako ni Jane. Turn right there. Lumiko ka dyan. Walk slowly. Maglakad ng mabagal. We must not be late. Dapat hindi tayo mahuli. Thanks for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe.